In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or update your banking information on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so let's dive right into it. Gumroad is a fantastic platform that allows creators to sell their products directly to consumers, but sometimes you might need to update your banking information for various reasons. Perhaps you've changed banks, or maybe you just want to ensure that your payment details are up to date. Whatever the reason, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through the steps to make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, let's open up Gumroad. If you haven't already, you'll need to head over to the website and log into your account. So go ahead and enter your credentials and click on that login button. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Your sales, products, and analytics are right at your fingertips. Now to update your banking information, look for a section called Settings. You can usually find this in the sidebar on the left side of the dashboard. Give it a click. Now that you're in the settings area, you want to navigate over to the Payment section. This is key because it's where all the information regarding how you get paid is stored. Click on the Payment option, and you should see various settings that control how you receive your funds. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the bank account details. Here, you'll see the banking information that you currently have on file. If you're simply looking to update your existing details, this is the section to focus on. If you want to change your banking information, just look for the area that allows you to input new details. It's usually pretty straightforward. You'll enter your new bank account number, your routing number, or whatever other details are required. Ensure that you're entering this information accurately. Double-check the numbers to avoid any issues later on, as incorrect information can delay payments or lead to complications. Once you have entered all the necessary details, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a button or link that says Save Changes after you've made your adjustments. It's always a good idea to ensure that your changes have been successfully saved before navigating away from the page. After you've successfully updated your banking information, you might want to log out and log back in just to double-check that everything looks right. That extra step can help provide peace of mind knowing that your banking information is secure and up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your banking information on Gumroad. It really is that simple, right? Just a few clicks, and you're done. If at any point you run into trouble, maybe you're having issues finding the right settings or even saving your changes, don't hesitate to reach out to Gumroad's support team. They are there to assist you and can provide additional guidance if needed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keeping your banking information updated is a crucial part of managing your online sales effectively, and it only takes a few minutes to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on using Gumroad and other platforms effectively. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. Thanks for watching, and happy